Welcome to the K&M Show.
I'm Kinsey.
I'm Madison. Today, we're going to make stuff.
Blow up in the microwave.
Yes.
Hopefully.
First of all, we have a marshmallow.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You might seem like there's this thing coming at you, but it's really not. It's just the microwave.
This is a good one.
Here, just do it like this.
Okay. I got it, Madison.
Okay.
Watch it.
I'm 21.
Huh?
Yes, 21. Yes, 21.
Wrong amount of seconds there. Can you see it?
Look at it. Look at it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Dude, get bigger.
We're going to do it for 11 seconds.
Watch it.
Whoa, big one.
Mama. Hey, what do you make it stop?
Oh.
Whoa, that's a good one. Told you it was good. Owie, stupid microwave.
Well, let's have Kinsey try this. Won't you try it?
That's good. I was doing that. That's a good one.
Okay, next we have some Jello. I wonder what this is gonna do.
Ooey. 6. Wait, I gotta get it.
Okay, what number? 10?
I'm gonna do no 6.
Okay.
Watch it. Can I see it? Okay. Oh, Mama, it's melting.
It's melting! Okay. Oh my.
It's good we doubled the paper towels. Look at that. That's good cleanup there.
Here.
Paper towels.
Microwave.
Don't you love them?
Oh. Okay, do we have anything else? No.
Should we do pudding?
No.
Oh.
Okay. Well, that's it for today. Didn't you like our exploding stuff?
Actually exploding and melting. Shut up. You shut up, Bridges. Okay, Mom.
Don't go up.
I made that up.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did it. No, I did it. I made it up.
Oh, yeah. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.